everyone! Welcome back to CLIFFTIPS. Today we're diving into the basics of video editing with FlexClip. We'll cover essential techniques like trimming, splitting clips, and duplicating scenes, so you can start crafting your videos with precision. First things first, let's get some footage into FlexClip. In your project, click Media to import your video clips. Click Browse, or simply drag your video clips to import. Once your clips are in, you can drag them to the timeline at the bottom, and you can start editing your clips. Now, let's zoom first our video clips in the timeline for clearer editing. On the right side, click the plus icon, or simply drag the slider to zoom in on your clips. Our video clip is now zoomed in on the timeline. Activate the video clip that you want to edit by clicking it or by directly pointing your cursor to the area of the video that you want to split. Above the timeline, click the split icon. As you can see, our video clip is divided into two video clips. Now, let's proceed to the next editing technique. Trimming is easy to use in FlexClip. As the clip in the timeline is activated, click the word Trim above the timeline. Once trimming is activated, just simply drag the video clip from right to left or from left to right and see the time duration as your guide while you are ongoing trimming the video. Once you're done trimming, don't forget to preview your clip to see if the desired outcome is good or if you need more adjustments to avoid poor output. And now, let's do the duplication of the video clip using FlexClip. Click the video clip on the timeline and click the duplicate icon above, or just simply right-click and choose Duplicate. Again, once you've made your edits, take a moment to review your masterpiece. You can play the timeline right here to see how it all comes together. And don't forget to use the preview option to see how your changes look in real time. And there you have it, basic editing techniques in FlexClip. Splitting, trimming, and duplicating clips are the building blocks of your video masterpiece. In the next video, we'll explore more about FlexClip, so stay tuned. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more FlexClip tips, and let me know in the comments what editing techniques you want to learn next. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.